Mabisa nang-ookray sa kanya sa PBB, Know Your Facts Before Judging. Miss na agad ni Mabi Legaspi ang mga celebrity housemates na nakasama niya ng ilang araw sa loob ng Pinoy Big Brother house. Bukod sa pagiging host ng PBB Celebrity Collab Edition na napapanood sa GMA7, naging border din ni Kuya si Mabi at nabigyan ng chance na maranasan ang mamuhay sa loob ng iconic house. Sa kanyang Instagram page, sunod-sunod ang pagpo-post ng anak ni Carmina Villarruel at Soren Legaspi nang naging experience niya sa bahay ni Kuya, lalo na ang makilala at makasama ang mga housemates. It was fun getting to know the housemates and bonding with them. It was also fun washing the dishes while they were doing the task, cleaning the house, you name it, so that I could lessen the burden. If you watch the daily live stream, you would know. So know your facts before judging. I wasn't slacking off, that for sure. Ang mensahe pa ng aktor sa lahat ng mga bashers na walang ginawa kundi ang mang-okray at manghusga. Patuloy na pahayag ni Mabi, I can wait for you guys to get to know the housemates even more. They all have such beautiful souls. All of them have good hearts. That's why I got emotional leaving them. If only you knew the feeling of just having each other 24/7. It hasn't been a week yet. I can wait for their growth. Pagbabahagi pa ng binata. And of course, sa lahat ng housemates, ang pinakamimimiss ni Mabi ay ang girlfriend niyang si Ashley Ortega. Mensahe niya sa actress, "Hola mami, it was nice being with you for a short while. See you in a few months." Nauna rito, binigyan muna ni Kuya si Mabi ng chance na makapagpaalam kay Ashley na hindi napigilan ang maging emotional nung mga sandaling iyon. I'm actually so lucky na you get to stay here, Han. I didn't expect naman na you're gonna be here for a while. I'm happy you enjoyed here, honey. Pahayag ni Ashley. Mensahe naman ni Mabi kay Big Brother, "Siyempre kuya, mamimiss ko sila. Pero nararamdaman ko kuya na it's a start of another beautiful beginning po. Thank you po for the opportunity po. Nag-enjoy po ako. Maraming salamat po kuya." Nang makaalis na si Mabi sa bahay ni Kuya at tuluyan nang naiyak si Ashley, I'm so happy and so grateful and so lucky na nakasama ko siya here sa loob ng house. First few days ko dito, syempre may mga adjustments na kailangan gawin. I felt more comfortable because I know he's here. I know he's around. Masakit na umalis talaga siya dito. Pagbabahagi pa ng Kapuso Star. Isa si Mabi sa mga host ng iconic reality show at naging house guest nga pansamantala bilang parusa ng matalo sila ng kanyang mga co-hosts sa ginawa nilang task kasama sina Gabby Garcia, Mele Conteveros at Alexa Ilacad. At yan ang totoo. Alright! Thank you for watching po. Follow for more videos. Salamat!